Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Jeff Hickey. I'm responsible for technology for the Go Network. I'm very excited today to spend some time with you to actually share with you what we're doing on the technology front to help empower you to do your business better. We know that there's lots of different tools out there. We did a brief little unscientific study one day and discovered that most agents interact with more than 7 tools a day. 7 different things that you go in and out of every day with IDs and passwords that you need to run your business, and many go into more. So we wanted to bring a platform together that give you one place to go, www.novalynk.com, and inside there it will route you to a variety of different tools, solutions, and information and content necessary for you to effectively run your business. We're going to spend a few minutes right now and I'm going to walk you through the NovaLynk platform, show you what it's all about, and actually give you some examples of how you can actually make it work for you. When you log into it, you'll actually see this page here. This is the home page of NovaLynk, and it's designed to give you categories for the way that you're working or what you're trying to accomplish. So the key components of it is my Market Center. I can actually go into my Market Center and be able to access their information. I can go into my business section and see all the different tools necessary to get in and run my business. I can go into different solutions. I can go straight into Command. I get access to everything I need, and under transactions I can link into Command, etc. So it's pretty exciting to have one place to go and less passwords to remember because they are encrypted and stored safely inside of NovaLynk. Let's take a look at how this would actually work in a real world scenario. Up here under the toolkit, we now have a new feature where we've bundled all the listing tools together. So I come up to toolkit, I click a listing, I got a brand new listing, and here I have everything I need to show my consumer what are the features that we bring that make us different than our competitors. So when we sit down to talk to them, we do our presentation, our listing presentation, and they start to talk to us about how we're different and what we bring to the table. You could actually log into here and show them this page. Now this page isn't designed for a consumer to log into, but you could actually show this on your iPad there while you're sitting there talking to your consumer and show them how you have access to tools that most of your competitors do not. While you're there, you can actually go into iFinder, for example, if the client's interested in maybe getting a quick bid. Maybe they're on the fence about selling their house, and you could offer them the opportunity to submit a bid and get some pricing back, indicative pricing back in the next couple days from what investors would pay for their house. You could do that right here from one click, come straight into the iFinder app, click bid request form, and submit their house into iFinder right there on the spot, and within a couple days have bids back from professional investors to let them know what the market would pay for their house from an investment perspective. But then they're also interested maybe in selling their house, but they're real concerned about open houses and people coming through their house and having to leave to do showings, etc. One of the great tools that we've just recently rolled out is Go Private Collection. Go Private Collection is our solution for off-market housing, or off-market listings. Our off-market section here is under Go Private Collection in NovaLynk. We click on it, it takes us right into Private Collection. From in here, I can actually create listings. I can submit a new listing and actually have it show up in here, and everything you need to know is right there on one screen. It is very searchable, and the tool is designed to be agent to agent. So even though you can share this with consumers, if they find a house they like, they can like it. The notifications go to both agents so that it's designed so that both agents interact and the consumer is served better that way because we keep the agent right at the center of the transaction. The notifications will go real time. I've actually put listings in and literally gotten a text within 5-10 seconds that after I submitted it and published it. Everything inside here is off market. You can also access MLS data from within here. But being able to actually show your clients off-market listings that they can have access to that aren't on the inventory anywhere else. In the first 3 weeks we had Private Collection live, we actually saw that we had over 100 listings totaling more than $76 million in inventory and made available to consumers. That's pretty powerful in today's marketplace, and we think that your consumers really like it. So we're very excited about our technology and the way we've bundled it. We hope that you will be too. Be on the lookout for additional training and different information. We're doing private collection classes and a variety. I often do regular NovaLynk classes, and we're real excited to get you involved in that. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you on NovaLynk.